Hey everybody, Chris Pulver here, and welcome back to another installment of the Pulver Report, where we trade to be profitable, not perfect. Today's segment is going to require some feedback from you. Yes, you traders out there, because I want to know what financial instruments you're currently trading and you're wanting to learn more about. So what I'd like to do right now, while it's fresh and we're just getting started, is post in the comment section your preferred trading instrument. So I want you to type the word stocks if you focus mainly on trading stocks. I want you to type the word options if you focus mainly on trading stocks and options. Type the word Forex if you focus mainly on trading Forex, and type the word cryptos if you focus on trading cryptocurrencies. Now, if you trade multiple asset classes, then great, type those all in. A little background on me: my name is Chris Pulver. I'm a Taurus. I enjoy sports, long walks on the beach. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. What I meant to say was I started trading stocks in college. I was racking up internship money, using some student loan surplus money, formed a little trading club with my brother, some friends and family. After college and grad school, I became a PGA professional and managed an instruction company. One of my clients at the time was a full-time currency fund manager. So I had about 8 years of investing under my belt, and then I was introduced to the world of Forex. And this is really where I sharpened and honed my trading skills. There is a massive difference between trading stocks and trading Forex. Stocks, we have thousands of companies. We have to sift through them, we have to screen them, we have to evaluate them fundamentally and technically, look for certain criteria to be met, and then you decide how much you're willing to allocate. You can build a portfolio in stocks based on growth and speculation, sector performance, dividends, passive income. You can blend them all together. You consider yourself diversified. Okay? Since I've been trading stocks over half my life now, I've done pretty well. Okay? Just strictly with time and participation. And yes, we've had an amazing bull run. We've had plenty of bull cycles that have been strong and long in the tooth since the year 2000. Pairing stocks with options is even greater. In fact, I'm really happy to see that the options volume and the options education has gone absolutely crazy in the last few years, because we're seeing some pretty exciting headlines, crazy amounts of gains. You can use options with less capital, right? My style is not to go after home runs. I trade to get on base, and I do this over and over again. So my wheelhouse in options: credit spreads, covered calls, strangles, wheels, iron condors, maybe even some reverse jade lizards. And no, I'm not making up any of these crazy names. All the strategies and options have really stupid names. But if you want me to help you with the jargon and the Options 101 lessons, just let me know. Type it in the comment. And then there's the Forex market. Forex is a pure trader's market. It's technically very challenging, but it's an incredible skill that will make you a 100% better price action trader. It's the most liquid market in the world, massive transactional volume, buyers and sellers, trends and ranges, bull markets, bear markets, and it's highly efficient. And rather than looking for thousands and thousands of instruments, we have 28 to 30 major pairs that we watch and trade. I was introduced to Forex and started trading Forex in 2008. So you can imagine it was a pretty wild time to dive in headfirst to a brand new asset class and a brand new industry. I still love Forex. I continue to adapt, refine, improve my strategies as much as possible to keep my risk low and my profits as high as possible. And if that wasn't exciting enough with stocks and options and Forex, now we have cryptocurrencies. It's the new Wild West, the new Wild West of trading and speculation. I think we are in for an exciting 3 to 5 to 10 years of speculation, widespread adoption, regulation, and hopefully stability and liquidity. We don't know this for certain, but cryptocurrencies may very well change everything about the monetary system. It might change everything about transactional utility, or they might be a massive failure. We will have to wait and see. So I have some long-term theories on cryptocurrencies, but the way that I see them right now is I am willing to participate. And I do so with money that I can afford to lose. If you were to go back into my Flex Trading Room archive or my Pulver Report 2017, 2018, I've said this since day one of cryptocurrencies. When I started to establish my portfolio, I thought this can go to zero or this can go to the stratosphere. So far in cryptocurrencies, we've seen booms and busts, but thankfully, with a decade plus of Forex trading experience and price action awareness under my belt, I was able to pick and choose my levels wisely, time it pretty well. I wanted to get involved in cryptos in 2016 and 17, but I didn't really like the broker offerings at that time. The availability, things seemed a little shady from what I was trading in stocks, options, and Forex, so I spectated. Now, I did technically look at the top, kind of called the top in 2017 and 18, when CME created a futures market. I also had an Uber driver at the time in December talking about putting like $20,000 in Bitcoin. And I thought, okay, the top is near, and in fact it was. So we hit $20,000, we start to drop all the way back down, 80+% correction. Actually, what's crazy is even with the wild volatility in cryptocurrencies, they trade a lot like the Forex market did back in the early 2000s. They're still technically obedient, even though they're highly volatile. But most importantly, is they're still efficient and pretty predictable. The reason I'm telling you all this, stocks, options, Forex, cryptocurrencies, is I am neutral on an asset class. I am neutral to strategies. Whatever asset class you trade, give it your all. If you're going to commit to trading anything, dedicate the time and energy to knowing it well. Right? There's no knowledge like market knowledge, but I will say that some help, some guidance can really cut down on the trial and error, the common pitfalls that traders experience. All right, now I'm not going to beat a dead horse, and I'm not going to keep repeating this message, but please check out my educational video on equity management. It's on my YouTube channel. The best way to make money in the financial markets is not to lose a ton of it. Keep surviving and keep trading. Right? Keep the bottom line relatively firm, take good trades, be patient, give yourself time, and I think you'll be okay. All right? It's just a game. The money will come. I promise the money will come, but learn how to survive and focus on a few simple strategies that allow you to trade bullish, bearish, and sideways markets, because that's all the markets do. And one more thing, a little bit of a side note, I'm going to play this in faster speed. I watch several YouTube channels, subscribe out there to some of my favorites, and one way that I get through these 15 to 20 minute videos faster and still absorb all the information is I watch these videos at 1.5 to 1.7 times speed. Yes, I know the voice sounds crazy, it's a little high pitched, a little chipmunky, right? But you can still process all information and save some time. I just want to make sure that you can get all the necessary information and go about your day, and for watching the video in its entirety, that actually really helps my channel, really helps the YouTube algorithm for me on views and duration. So if it helps the algorithm, others start to see it, starts to trend, reach more people, that's what I'm going after. So if you're having difficulty watching these 15, 20 minute videos, give it a go on a higher speed and have some fun with it, right? Or if you really want to absorb the information, you can slow it down like a slow motion laughing baby. Maybe you've seen that video. I remember being in tears watching this video. Anyway, we're just having some fun here, a little distraction. Let's get back to it. So here's what I want from you. I want to help you, right? Just like Jerry Maguire says to, I think, Rod Tidwell.
Help me help you.
Help me help you. I am at your service, right? I love trading, I love teaching, and guess what? I happen to be good at both. And I'm also really lucky that I do this for a living. I trade and I teach, all right? So remember, watch the video, leave me a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and tell me what you're trading. Stocks, options, Forex, cryptos. And based on your input, based on your feedback, based on your comments, I will tailor my next video to a lesson on the subject. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. Help me further optimize the YouTube algorithm and boost this channel. I know that it's ridiculous to keep asking for it, okay, but it's a big deal. If all you have to do, if you like the content, a thumbs up, a comment, and watching the video to completion has a huge impact on the YouTube algorithm. And Google will be like, hey, what's up with this Pulver Report? They might be onto something here. Let's spread the word. And it helps this channel trend and reach more people. So you choose the word of the day. Stocks, options, Forex, cryptos. Type in your preferred asset class and leave me a comment. Whatever has the most picks will be the winner for next week's lesson. Also, be sure to join me on Mondays and Fridays for my live Pulver Report segments. And if you'd like more trading updates, more content, more systems, strategies, and the ability to trade live with me, the best place to start is to subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell, but also subscribe to my free newsletter, the Pulver Report. You can get that directly at www.pulverreport.com. I'm also working on adding elements to the website so I can showcase all of my best performing systems and strategies. You can get access to my trading rooms, and hopefully I can even offer some one-on-one coaching sessions in the near future. So stay tuned for more. So that will do it for today's segment. It's all about you. Let me know what you trade. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on Mondays and Fridays for the live Pulver Report sessions. And as always, happy trading and lots of profits.